Unlock your body's hidden superpowers, the jaw-dropping transformation when you hit the gym. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a jaw-dropping journey into the world of body transformation and discover the incredible superpowers that can be unlocked when you hit the gym. But before we start, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, buckle up and get ready for an amazing transformation. First up, let's talk about the number one superpower, strength. When you hit the gym, you're not just working on your muscles, but also on your overall strength. From lifting heavy weights to performing complex exercises, you'll find that your strength improves drastically, making everyday tasks feel easier and more manageable. Next up is the power of endurance. Hitting the gym consistently can help you build up a remarkable level of endurance. You'll find that you're able to go longer without getting tired, run faster, and perform more intense workouts without ever hitting a plateau. Now, let's talk about flexibility. Yes, we're talking about your muscles and joints. When you hit the gym, you're putting your body through various forms of exercise, which helps to increase flexibility and range of motion. This not only makes it easier for you to move around, but it also reduces the risk of injury in the long run. And last, but certainly not least, the power of mental strength. Hitting the gym can help you develop a strong mental toughness. You'll learn to push through challenges, stay motivated, and set ambitious goals that you'll be proud to achieve. So, there you have it. When you hit the gym, you're not only transforming your body, but also unlocking your body's hidden superpowers. It's time to start your journey to a healthier, stronger, and more confident you. Hit the gym today and unleash the incredible power within.